with whispers, thoughts in corners, 16 and smiling, but dying inside. Behind this disguise, mirror sees what I wish I could be, but all that I see is the broken me. Friends all around, I'm still alone in crowded rooms. I'm so all alone. Shadows in the light, they swallow me. It's darker each year, each day on my own. The weight of tomorrow, too much to bear. Nobody cares, and I'm gasping for There's no hope, in vain we fight. Shadows getting dark, there is no light. 35, the masks wearing thin, the chaos outside, the demons within. Success on the surface, I'm in a hollow hell, pretending I'm fine. When you ask if all's well, the silence is louder, more than all the noise. The attic needs to be cleaned, the junk and all the toys I used to dream. I just survive. To be in hell is to be alive. Shadows in the light, they swallow me. It's darker each year, each day on my own. The weight of tomorrow, too much to bear. Nobody cares, and I'm gasping for The signs you saw turned a blind eye. Ignore the call, you watched me die. Shadows in the light, they swallow me. It's darker each year, each day on my own. The weight of tomorrow, too much to bear. Nobody cares. I'm gasping for air, and the voice, it doesn't matter. There's no choice. Shadows in the light, they swallow me. It's darker each year, each day on my own. The weight of tomorrow, too much to bear. Nobody cares. You're gasping for air.